If you've been dreaming of a brand new construction with that wide open country feel, then this is it. Welcome to 21230 County Road 4202 in Chandler, Texas. A stunning 2024 Barndominium sitting on a full acre in the heart of East Texas, priced at just $425,000. Step inside and you'll find soaring vaulted ceilings, a chef's kitchen with a Z-Line 6-burner gas stove, a dramatic center island with slate tile, custom open shelving, and butcher block countertops. And an open concept, so it's perfect for entertaining and just hanging out. The primary suite features a spa-style soaking tub and a custom shower with luxurious finishes that you really don't expect at this price point. Outside, you'll find a beautiful wraparound covered porch, which gives you that East Texas feel every single evening where the breeze is always just blowing. There is a 25 by 35 shop out back, and it's ready for whatever you want to bring to it. All of this is in Brownsboro ISD in Henderson County and is right across the street from Brown's Landing at Lake Palestine, with water views from the property, and there is a public boat launch just 1.5 miles down the road. This home has everything East Texas has to offer. I'm Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor. Call or text at 903-724-2338.